Are you from Italy? No, from New York. New York? Whoa, you came a long way for this place.
Okay, well, you remember BMW used to have the springs that set up this way, and then the front axle would go like that.
Well, yeah. I don't want to be the kid to go to bed tonight.
Well, those little lights that he's got here too are small jars and bright metal.
How long is it supposed to be? I mean, the distance they walk. Is it 11 o'clock or are they late? A little bit.
Well, they start back there, honey, so.
Oh. Okay, then they're on time.
That takes a lot of work to blow that thing all that junk.
Take a lot of work to do what?
Blow that thing.
I don't know. Don't know. I know they got the bag on the side that they fill up before they start making noise.
Oh, look at the little. He's writing it too. The little kid in the compass.
He's got his daddy with him.
That little car's not too either.
See old Bill down there, his one truck and another truck and another truck.
Yeah, I saw him come down with one hooked up, and the other one was when I went by to come over. All three of them.
Something makes the calliope noises. Not playing.
I didn't think so. When I watched him hand, I didn't think it over the.
Miss Itty Bitty. Yes, it is. the Jeeper. I asked him about where the off-roaders were, and he said, well, he was supposed to be with them, but they didn't line up over there where they did before.
It's a nice trailer, but I still like the one that I put together.
Yeah, they had a big one that can be.
Mine was deeper than that.
Thank goodness, don't lay on the damn siren this time.
I feel like the siren is to be red.
Yeah. Why did you want to round them?
The original law read you had to have a 760-degree circulating light. Now they've changed all that, you know. All they say now, as long as you can see it from...
From 360 degrees.
Yeah.
I wonder how much Roseburg lumber contributes to this community for fire protection.
They get called out very frequently, believe it. I hear them all the time getting called out. The dryers. A lot of problems around where the dryers go.
That's heat and fire in the same place you got wood, so or steam actually most of the time. Thank you.
Too lazy to get up.
I'll take a couple.
Take a
blade trucks. I hope he means to have that steam coming out of there. If not, he's fixing to become a pedestrian.
Trying to wind up the rain.
Now, we'll have electric fans, so that's not going to do nothing but warm the motor up. Well, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't have electric fan, but most of the imports do. Never a time in my life where I felt the need for employment so bad that I was going to drive a school bus.
Yeah, he can say, what? You don't drive a school bus. I said, you want me to go to jail? I kill about half them kids.
Well, I wouldn't do that, but it wouldn't be good.
But there'd be a whole bunch of them walking home.
Well, first student just got the contract for Roseburg too, so.
Who did?
First student.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, the other one that was doing it lost the contract. Now, it looked to me that since they had a bunch of Roseburg school stuff in that first student place, it looked to me like it was a first student, but maybe they were just subbing it to good old Bill. Well, there's plenty of times you see him out there at not so happy times, so it's good to have him out here at a happy time.
Keep the parade all by himself.
Pretty much. Well, they got 2 Peterbilts and a Dodge, can't be all bad. You got a little axle underneath there, I guess, huh?
Drop axle, yeah.
I was gonna say that guy was up there with us logging, but he wasn't. Different, same color, different truck. There's a guy up there with I think it was a Don Whitaker truck, but I think I told you about this too. He had a big motor in that truck. You could feel the ground, everything around you just kind of rattled and shake. Well, and that probably makes good sense. If they're trying to just old man wants out or he dies or something like that, sometimes you're better off to spread it around among the kids rather than trying to have the kids work one operation themselves. If they're going to drive something into the ground, they drive their own stuff into the ground. That front one looks pretty new and clean, but this back one, that's a working truck here.
Well, that front brand new truck.
Some of the guys keep it pretty well cleaned
Yeah,
up.
that's a new truck.
Yeah. That's a metal nose on that one. Not a butterfly, but it's a metal nose.
Well, yeah, they quit making the butterfly in 63 or 4. Then they went to the solid tip hood.
Look at the dogs. Nice shirts! You know the kids made them themselves. Get back to the truck before you put that thing away. I'll take a picture of you on it. Try to put you up in front of the tree or something like that where you got a nice background. Got a kennel back there for the dogs,
Yeah?
and I would imagine he takes it off-road.
Looks like it.
And I'm not sure what the name of that one is. Most of them look like that or Daihatsu. Ah! Poop Patrol. Yeah, that's the idea. If they have to go, they gotta go. Hey! Supposed to clap, he did a good job. Johnny Popper. Those are so under tax, they just run forever.
They'll never quit. They'll last.
There we go. There's a digger. a Daihatsu that was almost identical to that. Now, I think Mitsubishi makes one or two or three, and they're what they call community cars or neighborhood cars. And you put a slow-moving vehicle sign on them, and you got to register them. But you can go anywhere as long as the speed limit is controlled 25 or 35. We used them in the park. What's the matter?
That one right there in the edge of the state.
Race fuel.
He hit the race.
All these things do is make your teeth gritty in the morning. A small Chevy in there, but I don't know. Yeah, the valve covers are oversized for probably the rockers when they're too big. But who knows? They're making heads now that you have to buy valve covers to go with them. You can't. They still fit the Chevrolet block, but now canted valves are too far apart. Come to horses. I can't hear you.
I was surprised they left all the old cars parked on the street. I got the horse comes in the house.
Six banger. one's a Dodge, I think. Judging by the belt line. All looks the same, huh? No, actually 56. Take it back. 56. Chrome on the side. I don't know.
I thought I was looking down when I was over this morning. Back in one of those. Remember years ago, the old single wheel trailer used to hook on the bumper?
Well, they make one they sell that goes on the top of the car that's identical to that. Yeah. And I don't know whether he's adapted it to a trailer of some kind. Now this guy here in the blue Ford, that's Stray Angel. And I'm not going to remember all of them, but I know he is one, and then that Plymouth you saw earlier, that's Don, that's Gordon.
What about the gal who used to do the Gail? Yeah.
At the doctor's office.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's going to be in the car, but if she is, I think I'll recognize her.
Oh, he went by her and I didn't know. All of a sudden he said, "Call lady." Well, by the time I figured what that he was talking about, she was standing there. She didn't say anything that I could hear.
She's trying to make us think I was talking to the other lady who's standing there with her. Huh?
You guys do better here than Halloween. Yeah. He ain't gonna let that one fall. Let me tell you.
Yeah,
Unless you can figure out where to hide it.
What?
Unless you can figure out where to hide it. You better than my mother used to be. You try to hide something, I find it.
Sorry, what? They'll start stopping for another seat.
I don't know what else I can put on here. I'll have to look around. Oh, I've been sitting on it for what? 3 hours?
Much blower in that thing or it wouldn't cool. I don't know. Progress, you got no headliner on it.
I can't see.
Try to make it out of here.